We've just arrived in Amritsar for a 4-night stay at this beautiful hotel. Now, I can't even remember the name of it. Hang on a minute. But we were checking in, and the gentleman on reception said he was able to upgrade us. So we've actually got the biggest room so far of our stay in India. So we're staying at the Regenta Central by Royal Orchid Hotels. It's on East Mohamnagar GT Road in Amritsar, Punjab. So let me spin the camera around and let you look at this. Not bad, eh? Proper lounge area. There's a thing for a coffee table, a couch and 2 easy chairs. This is a minibar, I guess. There'll be a price list for that, so we won't be touching that. What's it? Fridge. Teas and coffees, yes. We'll be helping ourselves to them. TV. Sort of utility table there, maybe for suitcase. Everything is polished to the nth degree. You can smell the polish as soon as we got in the lift. As soon as we came along the corridors, and the carpets in the corridors were just so thick. We were like sinking into the carpets as you were walking. And all in the reception area was like really quality sort of like leather couches. I'm not sure if they were Chesterfields. We didn't sit down on them, but like the high-backed padded leather chairs. So this is going to be alright, isn't it? And we've got 4 nights here, so we can properly unwind, because we're very tired from that afternoon flight yesterday. Very little sleep last night, and then up early again for our flight from Delhi to Amritsar this sort of morning. So all these rooms at this side of the hotel have a street view. I'm not sure we're not going to see anything there. Funny glass. Well, this isn't a street view, so I don't know what's going on. Someone's backyard. Maybe that's why there's all frosty glass. So yeah, not a street view, but never mind. The room's lovely, and more than happy with this. Oh, another easy chair as well.
Size of it.
And the room's big as well. So this is about. Oh, we've got big wardrobe. Yeah, big wardrobe. Ironing board. Wow, I've never seen an ironing board as wide as that before. Safe, ironing board. Any slippers? Yeah, some slippers. There's even some bathroom scales here, man.
No view.
No, there's no view, no. Whoa! What about this? Look at this side. Well, you can swing a cat in here. Yes, big. Well, look at that overhead shower. Big shower. Toilet. And again, telephone in the toilet. Hair dryer. Sound. Sometimes like Indians we've met, they all seem to know a certain British phrase, and it's lovely jubbly. And it always makes you laugh when they say that, lovely jubbly. And one other tried a different one, and he said, "Pound as a sound," which we knew what he was meaning. But yeah, so I'm happy with this. So we'll see you later on. Bye.